That grinding noise from your Chevy Suburban's power running boards means the hinges are seizing, and you can fix it right now by flushing those pivot points with penetrating oil. The power assist steps on these SUVs are exposed to road salt, dirt, and water every single time you drive. Over time, that harsh road debris works its way deep into the tight clearances of the aluminum hinge pins, completely displacing the factory lubrication. When the electric motor tries to deploy or retract the step, it fights against this massive friction, causing that terrible grinding sound and often making the board freeze halfway. To fix this issue properly, you need a high-quality penetrating oil, as standard silicone spray or heavy white lithium grease will not break down the trapped dirt. Position yourself under the left side of the vehicle with the running board in the deployed position, or gently pull down on it while opening the door if it is stuck retracted. Locate the front and rear hinge assemblies attached to the rocker panel and liberally spray the penetrating oil directly into every visible metal joint and pivot pin. Immediately work the board manually or open and close the door repeatedly to cycle the motor, forcing the fluid deep into the hinges to flush out the built-up rust and grime. You will hear the grinding noise quickly fade as the trapped debris is dissolved and the metal-on-metal friction stops. Wipe away all the excess dirty oil that drips down from the brackets, and your running boards will safely and quietly tuck away under your vehicle once again.